Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something really delicious. Super quick video, nothing crazy long. So as you see in the title, it's going to be the best keto bread recipe ever, and I promise you, you don't want to miss this. So yeah, let's just jump right in. If it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the like button as well. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. As you can see, the buns turned out really well. Now it's time for the taste test. I also added some, I made some fried eggs and put it on the burger, and I made some broccoli tots as well. They're my absolute favorite. They're from Green Giant. They're not super low in carbs, so if you're more keto rather than low carb, you know, you may have to stay away from them, but they're amazing. You probably can make them homemade as well. But yeah, so my hubby and I are gonna go eat dinner now. Thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and comment down below. All right guys, thanks again so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.